Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-FLEX analysis training course, and today we'll speak a little about the results of this type of analysis. Again, the same model. We've been seeing this model for this group of videos. Basically, the analysis, it is something that we can choose from different types of results. We have what we can call four groups, mainly four groups. Let's open this, which are the loads, okay, the displacements. Then we have the vibration acceleration and vibration overloads. I will not calculate this for the example because it takes some time, so let us not make a very long video. I will leave this to your test because you have these example files also available, and if not, you can ask us to send you this file for you to run the calculation and checking the results. I will see in one of the studies that I have in this model other type of results, but in the end this is dynamic animation, because this type of analysis assumes that we will have deformations and in this particular case displacement, so we can see this type of animation. But there are a couple of interesting concepts also related with these groups of results that I would leave you the tip for checking our theoretical side and some explanations we have in our reserved area. But for the results, the type of results, you can have these four groups of things where you can analyze and check results for with different purposes. So any additional help you may need about this topic, let us know. We will give you all the necessary help and support.